many parents give their kids a tablet or phones to watch while they are in the car. What they don't know is that the car is a very, very, very important place, because it's a small space where we are all present, because we don't have much to do. We can be connected, and we don't have eye contact. So if when we are in the car, they understand from when they are young that we are here, we can maybe play games, we can sing all together, they can ask, we can answer, then when they grow up as teenagers, they won't be just, you know, putting something in their ears and looking outside. They will be with us. They will be telling us things that maybe in another time they won't say, or they may ask questions that are very, very important. So now, for example, before coming in the car, I really took the time to breathe, because I know I will have to answer 220 questions of my daughter. And this is what I did. I'm calm, and even if she doesn't ask, I show her things. And this is how I know, and I hope that actually when she grows up, she will be really connected in the car as a teenager.